G'day folks, welcome back to Pete's Investing. It's February 8, 2024. This is the S&P 500 technical analysis. So overall the trends are bullish. Just watch out for that divergence though. We might see a bit of a pullback. And there is a couple of trading ideas I've included for you. So what I've got here is the weekly, daily and hourly. And we always look at the larger time frames before trading on the lower time frame. So in this case I'll give you examples of some trading examples on the hourly time frame. But at the moment, the weekly, daily and hourly are all showing bullish momentum on the ADX 25. The CCI 400 likewise, it's all in a bullish momentum. That arrow should be pointing up. And the CCI 150 is the only thing to consider in all these scenarios. All three time frames have got a bearish divergence with lower highs on the CCI 150 here on the weekly, for example, versus higher highs on the price. So that's potentially a bearish divergence. Now, to invalidate that, if we see the price go much higher and that then goes higher than that entry point there, it needs to be greater than the equal level, then that'll invalidate the divergence. Likewise, on the daily, we've got a bearish divergence here on the CCI 150 versus the price. And you can see there that has now we've got that resistance up there at 49.84. Now, I won't draw a target yet. I'm going to leave it for the moment, and I'll remove that. I'm going to leave it for the moment until we do see a bit of a pullback. And once we see that pullback, I'll draw a new Fibonacci and set a new target. So I'll just get rid of that for the moment. Now, on the hourly, likewise, we've got a bearish divergence. You can see there that is still lower than the entry point there. Even if you draw it from that point as a divergence, that's still a bearish divergence. So we're going to consider that a pullback sometime soon, possibly, even though our indicators are showing a bullish momentum. So just carefully going long only, but again, just be careful of these bearish divergence. We might see at least a very small pullback, or it could even be a major collapse of the US market and other global markets as well. Now, in terms of a trading idea, I'm including in this for you. I've got the zero lag. I've got a couple of things. I've got the zero lag indicator. So if I show you that, it's the zero lag indicator, period 20. So basically, in this case, you buy when the close is above the zero lag, and the zero lag's turning up, which it is in that case, and you close it out when the close price drops below the zero lag, or when it starts turning down, and you enter it again and close it out. So if I show you the zero lag buy signals, you can see there when it crosses above the zero lag line, that actually didn't close it out there, but it closed it out there, and then buy another shot and you close it out there as well. So sometimes when it goes sideways, you might be in and out with some small losses if you've got a stop loss, or alternatively you may want to average down, and that basically in this case you would have averaged down 2 or 3 times before closing out with a profit. So that's on the hourly chart, and of course this can apply to the daily or the weekly or whatever other time frame you choose. But again, always make sure if you're going to trade on the hourly, for example, then at least the daily is trending in the same direction. So in this case, if the hourly is long, make sure the daily is going in a long trend as well. That's why I've got these trend indicators there. So with some latest analysis in outlook for the S&P 500, on the positive side, we've got strong earnings reports from some companies and continued lower unemployment support for the index. However, concerns about slowing global growth, rising interest rates and geopolitical tensions create headwinds, so just be careful on the market as it develops. Key factors to watch: Federal Reserve policy, continued rate hikes could dampen investor sentiment. Earnings season, upcoming company reports paints a clearer picture of corporate health, and global economic data, signs of weakening growth could trigger sell-offs. So again, the overall trends are currently bullish, but watch that bearish divergence, so carefully going long only. And as a trading idea included, hopefully you get some value out of that. If you like what you saw in the video, hit that like and subscribe button, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in a future video.